So you can sing them along with me, okay? But do you want to strum for me? Strum the guitar with my pick? Okay, go ahead. You do this part and I'll sing it. And when you feel ready, you can sing it with me, okay? Alright, go ahead, play my guitar. And you can do it gently. I'll show you. If you hold it like this, you go like that. You try. You can do it with your fingers too if you want to. You got it! You got it! Alright, keep going. Whoop. Don't worry. You want to do it with your fingers? Is it easier? Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Keep going. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Can you sing that part with me? So it's singing, don't worry. Singing, don't worry about a thing, about a thing. 'Cause every little thing, don't turn those, because those will make the guitar sound silly. It's gonna be all, remember the word? All right. You say, every little thing is gonna be all right.
It's gonna be all right.
Okay. Wake up this morning early with the rising sun. 3 little birds tweet, tweet, tweet. Can you tweet for me? Tweet, 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 tweet. Sat by my doorstep singing sweet songs. Tweet, 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 tweet. Of melodies pure and true. Careful. Singing. This is my message to you. Do you want to try it again? Singing, don't worry about a thing. It's fine, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Playing, yeah. With me again. Singing, don't worry.
Singing, don't worry
About a thing.
about a thing.
'Cause every little thing
Every little thing,
is gonna be alright.
everything's gonna be alright.
That's a cool song, right? I'll get it. You sit. I'll get it.